guys, welcome back to Honest Lifestyle. I'm Khushii and I make videos on motivation, parenting and minimalist low waste lifestyle. So do subscribe for new videos every week. Well, recently when I was out of my floor cleaner or phenyl and I opened my storage bottle to pick out a new fresh bottle, I was surprised to see that the entire cupboard was full of plastic. I mean, it's a small storage area where we store all our health and hygiene and cleaning products. And in that moment, all I could see was plastic, plastic, and plastic. And the other thing which I could see was the harmful and toxic chemicals. It just made me wonder that these are the same products that we use on day-to-day basis around our children and in our home to keep it safe and hygienic. And they are full of chemicals. Also, they are so expensive. For instance, I use around somewhere between 1 to 2 liters of phenyl in a month, and it adds up to approximately more than 2000 a year for just phenyl or floor cleaner. So I have decided to replace most of these things with natural, zero waste and organic products. One such product which I have made in the past by myself is the zero waste organic floor cleaner. It's made of all natural ingredients and is 100% chemical free. I have been using it for some time now and the results are wonderful. You can use it safely around kids at home and it will give you 100% satisfaction. It will keep all the house flies and the insects away. It will clean the floor perfectly without adding any chemicals to your home and life, and at the same time it will help you reduce your carbon footprint on the planet. Basically, it will help you reduce the usage of plastic in your life. I have few different ingredients which make a lot of difference, and the entire cost will be less than 20 rupees per liter. I'll show you the entire calculation in the end as well. So for now, let me start by showing you how to make this organic zero waste floor cleaner in detail.
So guys, the first thing that you'll need is water in a wide neck 1 liter bottle. Leave a few inches empty in order to add ingredients. You can take any old plastic bottle, or if you have already gotten rid of plastic from your house, that's awesome. So in that case, you can also use any old glass bottle or a mason jar. I'm still reducing plastic from our life slowly. It's very important to label the bottle like I have done and keep it separate from other bottles. I'll take few of the ingredients and crush them coarsely. So the first item is camphor or kapoor in Hindi. It has excellent antibacterial and antifungal properties. It has a unique fragrance and helps to keep insects at the bay. You need to add around 10 to 12 pieces for every 1 liter of water. Now the next item is alum or a fitkari. You have to add a small piece of it. I'm using alum as it is an excellent water purifier. Alum is basically aluminum sulfate which purifies water by coagulation process. It binds the small dust and dirt particles to form larger particles which eventually settle down. My next secret ingredient is cinnamon. It's naturally antibacterial and antiseptic. It's very powerful against mold. Cinnamon is very effective against pests and it kills bacteria like E. coli. You can also use cinnamon essential oil. However, I like to use half crushed cinnamon stick. It also adds a very natural fresh fragrance. Now I'm crushing all these three ingredients together. You can also add them without crushing or grinding them. It's just that if you crush it slightly, it dissolves quickly in water. So this is what the mixture looks like. You can crush it further into fine mixture if you wish to. Now I'll add all of these things into water slowly. All of these ingredients have excellent cleaning properties and work great to clean any kind of flooring. Now I'm adding 4 teaspoons of salt. Salt acts as disinfectant and keeps insects and bacteria away. Adding sea salt while mopping is also known to take away much of the negative energy and raise the positive vibrations of the room. If you live in a place with high humidity, you can reduce the amount of salt in case you feel that your floor is sticky after mopping. After trial and error, for Bangalore's weather, I feel 4 teaspoons works well. Now I'll add 10 drops of lemongrass essential oil. It is antifungal and antibacterial. It keeps the housefly and fruit flies away. It also has amazing germ fighting properties and leaves behind a very fresh fragrance. You can also use some other essential oils which are good for cleaning and fighting germs like lemon, tea tree, wild orange, or rosemary. I keep changing my essential oil based on what I have in stock. Now once you have added all the ingredients, give your bottle a good old shake. Make sure you mix it thoroughly so that all the ingredients mix well, especially the essential oil. Also, it's always a good idea to label the bottle and keep it out of reach of children and pets. You can use it immediately, however, it will be better if you let it sit for 10 to 12 hours. And your all natural, zero waste, organic floor cleaner is ready to use. Now let me show you how the cleaner looks like from the other batch that I'm currently using. In order to use it, add about 1 cap or 2 tablespoons in 2 to 3 liters of water. Do try it out and let me know how it worked for you guys. Now let me show you a slide where I've explained the pricing of the floor cleaner. Also, I would love to know what steps are you taking towards low waste lifestyle. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos on motivation, parenting, and minimalist low waste lifestyle. See you soon. Stay happy and stay blessed.